don't you be shy. Welcome to Timberwolf Treasures, my oh my. We're making those UV resin designs, yeah. Got that one of a kind shine.
Treasures, I'm Dave. Going to do a couple of quick little projects here. We got a fishing hook in this one and a couple of pistols here. This is for maybe the outdoor type of person in your life. So let's get started. Going to pour a little UV resin in here, both of them. Try to get them done both at the same time, just to get them set. Come on. Just giving it a nice little base layer. Let's get that fish hook kind of centered a little bit better. I think it looks good there. Okay. We'll put the light on there, the UV light. I already got my colors picked out, so I got the camo green. I thought I'd use that one for the fish hook, and the satin gray for the pistols. These kind of hobbies can be for anybody, really. You know, if you've got little kids, it's a good idea to have a parent around and kind of guide them a little bit there. Even guys, you know. There's a lot of things out there that can be put in resin, and I've seen even floors done in resin. So it's quite amazing stuff. While that's kind of hardening here, I'll get these kind of set up a bit. Let's just put this up here so you can see what I'm doing here. I don't want to use too much. If too much, it gets too thick. Too thick, it doesn't cure properly. That should be good for that. Always put your lids back on. If you don't, you might have a chance of spilling stuff and making a huge mess. Okay, set that aside. This is a satin gray for the pistols. Hope everybody's feeling well out there. I have been under the weather the past couple days. Got a bit of a bug going on, so I'm kind of getting over it now. Okay, so we got that in there. Let's just take this off here. It should be good for that. Now we can mix these up. Getting a little low. Oh. That was a new one for me. Whew. Never had that happen before. Okay. This should be plenty. Let's pour this one in. Yeah, like I said, it's kind of for that, possibly the outdoorsy person. Anybody can wear it, really. And try to use our long neck lighter to get rid of some of the bubbles that are in there. Okay. Let's try not to make a mess out of this one and get dust in my face. I don't think that's going to be enough. You know what? Just need enough to get through this. Okay, let's try that. Set that aside. Give it a mixy mix. Okay, let's see what happens. Hope you have enough here. Just enough. That's fantastic. Use a lighter, get rid of the bubbles. Okay, now I'm going to put the UV light back on it for a bit. And then when we come back, we'll show you what happens. See what we got. So, welcome back. I was kind of lost for words right now. This is the reveal of the fish hook and the pistols that I did in resin. I hope they turn out well. Okay, let's try the fish hook first. Oh, that's kind of cool. Still a little soft. I have to put under UV light for a bit more. Oh, and there's the pistols. There you go. That's what we got. Okay, so I'm going to stick them under the light a little bit longer just to harden them up a tad. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Timberwolf.
Down at Timberwolf Treasures, baby. Got that shine in my hand. Yeah, Timberwolf Treasures, darling. Best designs in all the land. Metallic resin, gleaming bright. Thank you for watching and good night.